Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an update for my rolling Project 10 pan. I'm about a week behind on filming this, and I don't remember the last time I actually filmed an update for this project pan because I've just been so behind lately, so it might be 2 months worth of progress. But this is my year-long rolling Project 10 pan, and my goals in this project are typically to finish the product completely. I do have some hit pan goals, and this project is moving slower than I would like, but each goal hit is a huge win, so I'm okay with some slower progress. And I've actually, over the course of the year, rolled out quite a number of things. And I do have one rollout to share with you today, and then hopefully if I get back on schedule in 3-ish weeks or so, I will have another rollout to share with you because I have something that is very, very close. The item that's very, very close is my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. I have been saying for months now that I think this is almost gone. This has been in since my introduction. It's in the shade Fair Warm, and I've used this 22 times since I've talked to you last for a total of 106 uses. The stopper is out of here, but still when I pull out the wand, there is so much product caked on here. And around the 70-75 use mark, I was starting to get not enough product on my wand with the stopper in, and was having to dip in multiple times to do my makeup. So I took the stopper out, and it's been, what, almost 30 uses since that, and there's still quite a bit in there. You're not going to be able to see anything. But I do hope that this next month, this will finally be out of here. I have in my Tarte Partyyy blush. I've used this 7 times since I talked to you last for a total of 55 uses. My goal is to hit pan on this, and I don't feel like I'm making very much progress with this at all. The embossing is still completely on this blush, although I am seeing a little bit of wear and tear. It is starting to be a little bit more powdery than it used to be simply because of its age. But one of you mentioned in my 23 and 2023 update that you felt that the embossing lasted almost until you hit pan. So I'm hopeful that I am making a little bit of progress on here with 55 uses, but I would not be surprised if it was another 50 plus uses to actually see this pan. I feel like I'm going to get more use out of this blush now that we're coming into fall, because I was really enjoying bright poppy blushes on my cheeks for spring and summer. A goal I met is my Colourpop Smokin Whistles highlighter. My goal is to hit pan on this, and I have done that. I used this 16 times. Since the last time I updated this project, I have used this now a total of 100 times. I hit pan at the 97 mark, and then I used it 3 additional times to expand the pan and hit that 100 use benchmark that I like to hit. So I will be rolling in a new highlight for this. The lipstick I'm wearing today is Colourpop Lumiere. My goal is to finish this, and I feel like I'm not making the best progress. I cannot make a new line on my paper, though I did wear this 8 times since the last update. It is just moving very, very slowly. I've used this a total of 41 days, and I really do like this color. This is another product I think will get more use as I'm wearing less warm tones and more cooler tones like I'm wearing today. I really do like this lipstick. I would have liked to see it finished before the end of the year, but I really don't think that's going to happen. There's not a ton to share on my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. I've been really focusing on my lip gloss in my whole collection project pan, but I did reach for this for 6 days for a total of 47 days of use. I do have windowing around the heart here under NYX, but nothing beyond that. This has started to leak around the cap, probably because I took the stopper out one time to really stir the product and then put it back in, and that was such a disaster. I will not be doing that again, but it seems to have affected the stopper, and now gloss leaks out of it, but at least I'm able to use it and I'm making some progress on it now. I don't know if I can finish this by the end of the year either because it's so huge, 8 mils of product, and I'm only seeing progress at like maybe 1/4 or 1/3 of the way so far. I don't know. I've used my Colourpop Mr Bing eyeliner 15 times for a total of 25 uses. I also cannot make a new line on my paper for this. This is the Never Ending eyeliner. I've worked on this on and off for years. It's a beautiful medium warm brown shade, but I'm never seeing any movement. Granted, I'm only using it on my waterline typically, which is a very small area, but I would have liked to see a little bit of movement after 25 uses. I was very surprised with my progress on my Touch in Sol Prime Essence. I've used this 15 times since the last update for a total of 46 uses. At the last update, I was here, and today I'm down here. My guess is I lost a bit of an air bubble because, I don't know, even with 15 uses, seems like a lot, but maybe not if it from full to here is 46. Okay, maybe that's not as crazy as I felt like it was, but that makes me really motivated for in the next 20-30 uses. This will be an empty as well. I'm making pretty good progress on my primer collection this year, so I'm just ready to keep rolling through them. The next 3 products I rolled in my last update. The first is my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. This is just a mini with 2 grams of product. I've used this 8 times and was able to make a little bit of a line, a little bit of movement. We started off at the widest part when I rolled it in. I keep wanting to say last month, but in the last update, I can't remember when that was, 2-3 months. I don't know. But I'm happy to see some movement, and that's also really motivating to me because we started at the widest part and we're only going to see more visual progress from here. I would also love to have this empty by the end of the year. I'd love to have all of these things empty by the end of the year, but I really don't think that's going to happen. Something I'm not tracking usage on, but I do have like markings on the bottle. This is really blown out, but this is the Ofra Makeup Fixer Setting Spray. When I rolled it in June, we were here. This was August and this is September. So slow progress on this. This is going to take a really long time. I don't think this will be gone by the end of the year. Last for the roll-ins, from last time, this is Nars Laguna mixed with the Body Shop Honey Bronzer. I've used this 10 times since I repressed it and rolled it in. I have hit pan again and it feels really thin in there. So I've used this 10 times since I've pressed it into this compact, I believe. And I'm really happy with the visual progress I'm seeing on this already. It's super thin in there. This is where I hit pan, and this bit of pan here was, I didn't fully fill the pan with product when I repressed it. That was kind of already showing over there. But this makes me feel really good. Like if I could have one powder bronzer empty by the end of the year, that would be amazing. I'm working on this one along with Tarte Park Avenue Princess, both of which were mini bronzers. So if I can get one of those out this year, that would be fantastic. Alright, so those were the 10 products I have been working on, and as you know, I did hit pan on Colourpop Smokin Whistles, so I was thinking of another highlight to roll in, and one I feel has been severely neglected in my collection is this mini Becca Opal. And I keep hearing people who have a similar skin tone to me go on and on about how deceivingly dark this highlight is, so I wanted to work on it while I still had a tan. I have already started working on this, just a very little bit because I am late filming this update. I've only used it 3 times, today being one of them, and I don't feel like I have a cast right now, so I want to get as much use on this as I can until my tan is gone, and this is too dark for me. I don't know if I can hit pan by then. I do have this on my inner corners today as well, but I would just like to see some movement on here, some progress. This is one of my least used highlighters in my collection, despite it being decently old. It's definitely not one of, maybe even not one of my top 5 oldest highlighters, but it's just severely neglected and on the deeper side. So I wanted to pull this into rotation while I still had a tan. I hope that makes sense. My goal is to hit pan on it, but as soon as this is too dark for me, I will swap it out for something lighter. So that is everything for my rolling project 10 pan. My only true goal for next update is to be able to roll in a new product for my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. I'm not always rolling in like for like I did with the highlighters. Sometimes it will just depend on what I'm working on in other projects as well. Right now I'm thinking of pulling in another concealer to finish, but I'm also filming my whole collection project pan update this evening, so if I pull in a concealer to that, you get the idea. If you did enjoy this project pan update, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!